Here's the latest story in Trending.ph. Filipino actress Kathryn Bernardo couldn't be more proud of her accomplishments as she shared her family's dream home in Metro Manila. Kathryn shared photos of her and her family inside their dream home, showcasing the amazing view. She is accompanied by her mother, Bernardo, and younger sister Lexine, while she toured the area. The construction started on March 2020. The construction of our dream home has officially begun. I still can't believe it's finally happening after 3 years of planning. She mentioned that she was planning to build her dream home a year prior at daytime morning talk show Magandang Buhay.
Dream ko talaga na mapatay yung dream house namin nila mama. Pero, hindi kasi joke yung gagastusin. So sabi namin, okay, baka next year. And then next, so patagal na siya ng patagal bago masimulan. Gusto ko kasi yung pag nagpatayo ng dream house, yung gusto na talaga namin, as in, yung na-envision ni mama, kung ano yung gusto ko, kung ano yung lahat, yung sa buong family. So,
for more latest Filipino stories, don't forget to subscribe and visit Trending.ph.